morning to you all. Welcome back to my channel, Etherbat Official. Today I am here in Maungui Briu. Ini di kynduh. Hi.
Hello. Hello.
Today Medu. Hi, mom. You are from?
Switzerland.
Oh, Switzerland. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
Yes.
Thanks for your help.
Yes. Welcome. Nice. Now we will go to Maungui Briu. This is the way we can trek to Phareng secret group.
Careful.
Yes.
With your shoes?
Yes, sir.
No problem.
It's okay, then?
Yeah, of course.
Yes. Can you tell me your name, sir?
My name is Nicholas.
Nicholas from.
Happy to meet him.
Yes.
And what's your name?
My name is Ethelbert.
Atupat.
Yes, Ethel.
Echel.
Yes.
Echel.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you.
Yes. Hi. What's your name? Yes?
Yara.
That's
Yara, no? Okay, nice. And you, Peter?
Neria.
Neria, ne? Neria. You're here in Meghalaya.
It's nice.
Nice place.
Yes.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
Apa sih cendem kas nih?
Ah. We are here with friends from Switzerland and also from Maujong, Maukudok and Kadamkla. Nice to meet these people. It's very nice.
Yeah, we are very grateful to
Yes.
meet you. Have met you.
I feel so nice when you meet them in this place. Okay. Just,
That's the rock
yeah.
bridge.
Yes. Rock Bridge.
Oh, they're gonna.